Hello everybody, I'm Adam Flieber and I am one of the head judges of the Edu Robotics Cup 2021-2022 season. For this year's challenge, we wanted to have some game fields that resemble some classic games that you might already know. For this category, Masters age group, we have the chess board as the basis of the game field. This is how it looks like. Let's see how the game objects are placed on it. First of all, you need a sock. The size of the sock does not matter. You have to place it on the game field touching the F6 square. It doesn't have to be a pair of socks, it can only be just one sock on its own. Then you need a soda can, which you have to place completely inside and standing on the square C5, as you can see here. Another game object is going to be a battery, which is the size of AA. This is standardized, so everyone will have the same one if you get this. And you have to put it completely inside and standing in square F2. In these cases, it does not matter where you put it inside the squares, so it can be here, here. Also, the soda can be moved a bit around. What really matters is that it should be completely inside the square. Then you also need some Lego bricks, the size of 2 × 4. You need 16 of them, 4 colors, and 4 pieces in each color. You can see them already put on the game field, but this is a randomization that you will have to do. In the game rules, you will see a list of the squares where you will have to put a Lego brick. First of all, you will gather all the Lego bricks, put it in a non-transparent bag or box, and then one by one you start drawing them from that bag. Starting from the first square marked on the list, you put them down, so B1, F1, H1, and so on, randomly. This way you will get a game field where these are scattered randomly and the colors are not next to each other, or if they are, it's only luck. And of course you would also need a robot which you can put anywhere on the game field, because in this challenge there is no starting area. You can start the robot run anywhere you wish. The only rule about this is that the robot has to be completely on the game field and not touching any of the game objects yet. The first task you have to do is to tidy the chess game board. This means that you will have to remove the sock, the soda can, and the battery from the game board. The sock will have to be completely put outside of the game field, not even touching it, to get the maximum point. Of course, if it touches the outside and the game field also, you will get some partial points as well. The soda can will have to be put on the upper area, marked with the red lines, in the right down corner of the game field. And the battery has to be put inside the lower area, marked with the red lines, like this. It doesn't matter if they are standing or not standing. What really matters for maximum points is that they are completely inside those areas designated for them. If they are partly inside, you can also get some partial points as well. Next, you will have to deal with the colored bricks on the chessboard. First, check out which was the last brick that you drew from the non-transparent bag or box. Bricks of that color cannot be touched and have to remain completely inside the square that they are started on. So, now I can see that the last one was this blue brick. This means that this, and these 2 bricks will have to stay completely inside their squares. They can move around a little bit, but it's important that they cannot touch any other area outside of that square. In cases like this, where the lines are not clearly seen, just imagine them and make sure that they are not outside of the square. Then you will have to gather all the bricks from the other 3 colors, meaning the red, yellow, and the green bricks in this case, and you have to build a tower. It does not really matter where you build the tower on the game field. It does not even have to be inside the chessboard as well. It can be here, 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 or anywhere basically. What really matters is that you gather all the bricks and you build a tower which is as high as possible. Now I'm just putting them all together just to show you just one solution for this problem. The points will be awarded according to how the bricks are touching each other and touching the game field. You get lower points for all the bricks that are touching the game field, and bricks that are only touching each other but not the game field will be the maximized points. The tower consists of all the bricks that are touching each other, so if you gather them and the yellow one looks like this is not part of the tower, so you will not get points for that. Only one tower awards you points, so make sure that all are gathered in one place. Once you are finished with all the tasks, the robot will have to park in the parking area completely inside, and also the cables are measuring this time. So this is considered outside, and of course this is also considered outside. For more precise information on the scoring, please check out the scoring sheet and the category and age group rules. Thank you for listening, and have a great time and enjoy the challenge.